Silver prices have surged more than 15% last week to hit a fresh all-time high of 2.42 lakh per kg in the future market, supported by robust industrial demand, expectations of US interest rate cuts next year, and growing concerns over supply disruptions. Marking their fifth straight session of gains for March 2026, delivery has jumped 18,210 or 8.14% to a new peak of 2,42,000 per kg before closing at 2,39,787 per kg on Friday. The white metal climbed 31,348 or 15.04% from 2,08,439 per kg since December 19 as traders engaged in aggressive buying amid elevated volatility. Commodities market experts said the rally in silver prices was driven by tightening global supplies, especially in China, the world's largest consumer of the metal and a major hub for solar panel, electronics and electric vehicle manufacturing. Analysts noted that Beijing has announced export curbs on silver effective January 1, 2026. Under which companies will need to obtain licenses. The restrictions are expected to stay in force until 2027 and could potentially disrupt global supply chains. Let's now take a look at the prices. So let me get you that, viewers. Now, the silver prices have seen a rise in demand, and let's talk about today versus yesterday. So on the 27th of December, 1 gram is at 251, and on the 28th, 251 for 1 gram. Let's go to 1 kg of silver, rupees 2,51,000, and the other, of course, is, all right, today versus last week. Now, 1 gram is 214, and on the 28th is 251. 1 kg is at a 2,14,000 and 2,15,000 for 1 kg of silver. That's today versus last week. Can we have the next slide? Now today versus last month, 1 gram is at 176 on the 27th, and on the 28th it's at 215. 1 kg is at 1,76,000, and the other, of course, on the 28th is 2,15,000. So that's, of course, all those comparisons and details that we've collated for you. And now I have, all right, we're going to soon be joined by Dr. Sharad Kohli, who's a senior economist. But in the meantime, viewers, where, of course, you have the price comparison on your screen. We're talking about today versus yesterday, today versus last week, and today versus last month. Those are the comparisons. And we at NewsX, of course, keep getting you these details, whether it be gold prices or silver prices, so that you have a complete understanding of how the market is moving. The silver prices, viewers, as of now have surged more than 15% last week to hit a fresh all-time high. And with that, we're slipping into a short commercial break. I'll see you on the other side.